Give you my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to do a little bit of spring refresh. The decor you see here now is decor that I had from my previous spring video, but at this moment I'm going ahead and move the baby gate. Well, actually it's a doggy gate, because I do have a dog that's very temperamental. He tends to get mad, and when he doesn't get his way, he wants to spray, so I do block off this area for that purpose, but that could be in another video we go discuss. But anyways, throughout the video you will see me removing all my previous decor, so that is what I'm going to do right now, is clean out the space so I can prepare the space for my next color scheme that I have going on. So if you guys are interested in seeing what Anita Cherie got up her sleeve, then y'all know what to do. Just stay tuned, sit back, relax, and grab your wine and watch. I just have to move the table out a little bit so I can be able to fluff out my pillows. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin setting up the space for my next color scheme. I decided to just keep these 24 by 24 gray pillows here, and I'm going to go ahead and add my teals. So yes, I decided to use teals, whites, grays, and silvers in this area. If you watched my previous video on my dining room decor, I used golds, white, and a little bling in that area. So I wanted to switch it up in this area and use silvers, blings, mirrors, teals, and whites. And of course, every time I do something on the couch, my dogs tend to find the pillows very comfortable. But that is okay, because my puppies are very clean and they are allowed on the couch. I am not one of those sticklers where they cannot get on my furniture. But I do not like when my toy dog, you know, has his moments and wants to spray things. So now I'm going to go ahead and just vacuum the area up, because before I pull out my shampooer that I'm going to shampoo in this area, because this is the areas that's open is where the dogs tend to play, and that's the traffic area. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum up that space before I go ahead and begin to shampoo the area. If you don't remember from my previous video, this vacuum is from Amazon. It starts with a T. I can't even pronounce it. I told you guys I hated it because it clogs up all the time, and I still hate it. But you know what? It serves its purpose for me, so I'm not going to go ahead and get rid of it. Right here, I am spraying the area with this nature path or nature something urine destroyer. This is a spray that I spray in the area where my dogs tend to be most of the time, and that's where I normally have their potty pads. So when we're not home, that's where they go. But in the event that they might have had an accident that I cannot see, I use that urine destroyer in that area, and then I go ahead and run my shampoo over once I pre-treated it with the area. This shampoo is the Pet Vac Hoover shampoo. I purchased mine from Target. It was about maybe like $100 and something. Wasn't expensive, but it does its job. It serves its purpose. And the fact that I have carpet, rugs, and I have pets, I tend to do this quite often, because you want to minimize any type of urine smells or accidents that may happen when you have pets. I'm not saying that I'm perfect. I'm not saying that my dogs are perfect, but I tend to have accidents. And this is what the water looks like. It's not bad, but it's pretty dirty. Now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down my table area before I get ready to put the other new decor on there. And that is that. I still find that I have streaks when I clean off my tables. So I'm not sure if it's the cloth that I'm using or what's going on, but I cannot get it perfectly clean. But I think I found the method using newspaper, but I found that the newspaper was crumbling in the middle of me using it. But I do know that newspaper do work very well with me, but I don't know, I will figure it out. So here I'm just going ahead and clean out my tray, my mirror glass tray. This tray, I've been had it for about 2 years now. I did purchase it at the at-home store. I'm not sure, I do not remember the price, so I'm sorry. But I'm going to go ahead and just add my other decor to this tray. These candle pillars you see, I found those at Home Goods about a few weeks ago. I had them for a while. I just didn't use them yet until today. So here I'm going to go ahead and just place this white base back here. I added some teal lilies to it to give me that pop of teal that I was going for in this area. And here I couldn't decide whether or not I wanted to use candles or if no candles. But in the end, I decided not to use the candles, and I decided to put the candle pillars in the tray because I thought it looked better. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my 3 coffee books back. I was only going to use one, but I decided to go ahead and use all 3 this time. Which is okay. You can choose to use 1 or 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my candle. I decided to use a pink candle, and this is the Bath & Body Works Champagne Toast Candle, my favorite scent of all times. That little pop of pink to me set the space off. I did not have a teal candle, but I feel like that pop of pink candle was the perfect set off. And then I went on ahead and added my remote control tray. You guys know, previous video, you have seen it. I do have a remote control tray that I use to keep the remote controls in so they do not get misplaced or lost. Then I decided to go ahead and switch over here to the little small fireplace area. I'm not doing any changes here. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up. Wipe the fireplace down, wipe the TV down, wipe the little mirror candle pillars that I have down on there, and then literally that's just that simple. And then I'm going to go ahead and set the space back up. That little wooden long stick thing you saw, that is my incense holder. I am a big fan of incense. We have a store here called Lover's Lane where I purchased my incense from, and I absolutely love them. They have the most fragrance, scentful incense I've ever purchased in my life. So if you have a Lover's Lane in your area, wherever you live, please check it out. They have some of the best incense ever. Pillars, if I did not tell you guys, I did purchase those from Home Goods. I'm not sure the price. I think they were $19.99 or $24.99, somewhere in there, but I did purchase those from Home Goods. And my little, I don't know if you call him a panther, I purchased him from Home Goods as well. And those candles, I purchased those from the at-home store. I've always previously told you those are the LED candles that came in a pack, and they do change colors, so that's why I like those. My curtain was a little off. It was somehow folded and twisted the wrong way. I guess when initially got hung up, didn't even notice that it wasn't up there right. But I had a little trouble reaching it, only being 5 foot nothing. I am very short, so I had to go get the taller stool and to be able to adjust my curtains. And so this is what I'm doing here. I'm just going to go ahead and adjust the curtains, fix them, and then I'm going to go ahead and steam them because they were a little wrinkled after taking the curtain clips off. So I'm going to go ahead and steam them, put them back in place. guys, this is the completed look. Very simple, very quick, pop of color. I did shop my home for the most part. Nothing here is actually new but the sofa. I did get a new sofa and I absolutely am in love with this sofa. I purchased it from Wayfair. So if you guys are interested in that sofa, go check Wayfair out. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys do return and become a part of a Ninja Sheree family. If you have not already, please hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And until the next video, you guys, I really appreciate all your love and your support. I hope you guys are having a wonderful spring so far. Spring here in Michigan has not been quite a spring. It's been more winter. But you know what? We are still enjoying what we do have. And in the meantime, you guys, I will check you out in my next video. See you later, and you have a wonderful, blessed day.